1. What is your main responsibility as a superintendent? My main responsibility is to make sure the ship is working well. I check the ship's condition, plan maintenance, and help solve technical problems. I also support the captain and crew. 2. How often do you visit the ship? I usually visit the ship every few months or when there is a big problem. During the visit, I check everything and speak with the crew. 3. Do you work with ship owners? Yes. I talk to ship owners often. I report the ship's condition and help make decisions about repairs, costs, and future plans. 4. What documents do you check on the ship? I check safety certificates, maintenance records, crew certificates, and logbooks. These documents must be correct and up to date. 5. How do you plan maintenance? I make a maintenance schedule. I check the ship's condition and follow the planned work. I also listen to the chief engineer and crew. 6. What do you do if there is an emergency? In an emergency, I give support to the ship. I call the needed people, arrange help, and contact the company and insurance if necessary. 7. What is dry dock? Dry dock is when the ship is taken out of the water for inspection, cleaning, and repair. It usually happens every 2 to 5 years. 8. Do you write reports? Yes, I write technical reports after ship visits or incidents. Reports explain what I saw, what work is needed, and how much it may cost. 9. How do you control the budget? I check how much money spent on repairs and services. I compare the budget with real costs and look for ways to save money. 10. Do you hire contractors for repairs? Yes. Sometimes I choose contractors for ship repairs. I check their experience, prices, and quality of work. 11. How do you support the captain? I give advice, help with technical problems, and explain company rules. I work with the captain to keep the ship safe and in good condition. 12. Do you check safety equipment? Yes, I check lifeboats, fire systems, alarms, and other safety gear. It must be ready for use at any time. 13. What kind of ships do you work with? I work with different ships like tankers, bulk carriers, or container ships. Each ship type has special equipment and systems. 14. What do you do before the ship goes to dry dock? I plan the work, speak with the shipyard, and prepare a list of jobs. I also talk to the captain and chief engineer. 15. Do you follow IMO rules? Yes, I follow IMO rules. These are international rules to make sure ships are safe and protect the environment. 16. How do you communicate with the crew? I talk to the captain and engineers by email, phone, or during visits. Good communication helps us work better. 17. What is condition survey? A condition survey is when I check the ship structure, equipment, and systems to see if they are in good condition. 18. How do you choose spare parts? I choose spare parts based on quality, delivery time, and price. I also check if they are approved by the manufacturer. 19. Do you work with classification societies? Yes, I help the ship during class surveys. I make sure all certificates are valid and ship systems meet class rules. 20. What is PMS, Planned Maintenance System? PMS is a system that shows when maintenance jobs must be done. It helps keep the ship in good working condition. 21. Do you train the crew? Sometimes I give training or advice, especially about safety, maintenance, and new equipment. 22. How do you manage ship inspections? I prepare the crew for inspections and check all documents and systems. I also stay in contact with the inspectors. 23. What do you do in case of accident on the vessel? I investigate the accident, speak with the crew, collect reports, and send information to the company and authorities. 24. Do you deal with environmental issues? Yes, I make sure the ship follows MARPOL rules and does not pollute the sea. I check equipment like holy water separators. 25. How do you control fuel consumption? I check the fuel reports and speak with the chief engineer. We try to use fuel efficiently and reduce costs. 26. What is your typical day like? A typical day includes reading reports, planning work, talking to ships, checking emails, and sometimes visiting shipyards or ports. 27. Do you attend audits? Yes, I attend ISN-MAN ISPS audits. I help the crew prepare and answer questions from the auditors. 28. How do you solve technical problems? I talk to the ship's crew, read manuals, and sometimes call experts. I try to find a simple and safe solution. 29. What software do you use? I use software for maintenance planning, budgeting, reporting, and communication. It helps me organize my work. 30. What skills are important for a superintendent? A superintendent needs good technical knowledge, planning skills, communication skills, and experience with ships.